If you're watching this, you probably didn't click by accident. Maybe you've said, "This is my last cigarette," more than once. Or someone you love has asked, "Are you still smoking?" Something in you is ready, and that matters. My name is Dr. Sidhu, and I'm a primary care doctor, and I've helped people quit smoking who never thought they could. Let's discuss 6 ways to help you quit smoking. Number 1, smoking is an addiction. An addiction has triggers and urges. Smoking isn't just a habit, it's an addiction. And every addiction works the same way. It has triggers and urges. Triggers are the setup. They're the people, places, routines, or emotions like stress, boredom, anxiety that spark the thought of smoking. Urges are the reaction, that sudden pull to smoke, the restlessness, the tight chest, and the feeling that you need a cigarette right now. Triggers cause the urge. The urges feel powerful, but it's temporary. Once you understand this, quitting stops being a personal failure and it becomes something you can plan for. Number 2, triggers are predictable, and that's good news. Most people don't smoke randomly. There's usually a trigger. Just like you might crave for dessert after a good meal, people who smoke often crave cigarettes with coffee, after meals, while driving, during breaks at work, when stressed or bored, when socializing. These are triggers and not cravings out of nowhere. Here's what I want you to do. Write down your triggers and what you feel in your body when that happens. Is it a tight shoulder? Is it dry mouth? Is it restlessness? This is good news because predictable triggers can be planned for. Instead of asking, "How do I resist forever?" ask, "What will I do instead in this moment?" Start by removing reminders. Throw out cigarette packs, lighters, ashtray. Clean your car, clean your house and workplace. Fewer reminders mean fewer triggers. Number 3, cravings are waves. Learn to surf them. Triggers lead to cravings, but cravings don't last forever. They rise, they peak, and then they fall. Most cravings last for 5 to 10 minutes. This is called urge surfing. Instead of fighting the craving, you notice it, you name it, breathe through it, and tell yourself, "This is uncomfortable, but it's temporary." Get up, walk, drink water, breathe slowly. If you don't feel the urge, it passes. Every time you ride out a craving, your brain rewires. That's real recovery happening. Number 4, break the hand-to-mouth ritual. Smoking isn't just nicotine, it's a ritual. The hand-to-mouth ritual becomes very automatic over time. So when you quit, your brain still wants that movement. That's why replacement matters, like chewing gum, toothpicks, stress balls, fidget rings, even a pen to click. When a trigger or craving hits, reach for a replacement instead of a cigarette. Break the ritual and the urge loses its power. Number 5, medications can double your chances. This is important. Research shows you are much more likely to quit when you combine behavioral strategies with medications. There are a few options here. Nicotine replacement therapy like patches or gums. Patches are usually well tolerated and come in different strengths. Prescription medications like bupropion and varenicline. Bupropion helps reduces craving and mood changes, and varenicline reduces withdrawal and makes smoking less satisfying. This isn't cheating. It's treating nicotine addiction like the medical condition it is. Talk to your doctor about what the right medication is for you. Number 6, try not to quit alone. Quitting is hard and you shouldn't be doing it alone. Tell someone you trust, your partner, a family member, a friend. When someone knows your plan, they can support you when craving hits. And remember, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. So here's the takeaway. Smoking is an addiction with triggers and urges. Triggers are predictable, cravings are temporary, and rituals can be replaced. And do remember, medications help and support does matter. If you've tried before and it didn't work, you didn't fail. You just didn't have the right tools for yourself. Craving passes, freedom stays. You've got this. And I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.